Here we're just setting up for the show. Got Skylines, GS. Got my EG. Sheesh.
Oh, wait, no, my brakes. The black Lexus Ricky's son.
Yeah. Yo! Nice, bro. Love it.
Sure.
Huh?
The way the whole family is, that's up to you.
What?
You're gonna have to add. I'll let you finish. My bad.
Someone's car broke down?
I'm calling you FaceTime.
Damn. Slam Dynasty. What's up, guys? We're here at the 935 booth. Look at the 935 cars. Take a look at this Celica with work wheels, custom white body kit. Custom hood too. Yeah. 1 of 100 supercharger kit. I think this kit was the prototype. Custom headlights. Damn. This is one of his cars. A Lotus. Of course, it had to be supercharged too. Look at this 90s gem. Time capsule. The engine bay. Old school engine intake. The OG intake. DC header. Has that green pearl. Look at that. NSX side skirts. The interior. Yep, 90s vibes. Got a VTEC controller there. Jeez. Got my EG. Sparkle. NS2s. The Denji headlights. GS 350. badge. Super clean. Airbags. These wheels. Here we got Jaden's GS Aristo. She got his trunk set up here. Nice. She's got that fat lip. Brian Skyline. Shit is slammed. Check out the trunk setup. The Supra 890 wheels. Damn, nice, so clean. GS 350. Get this FL5. Rega Masters. Brembo brakes. Nice. Sheesh. Damn. Straight to the ground. That ain't going any lower. Clean IS. Sheesh. It is Skyline.
competition. 26 minutes.
Alright, oh my goodness, I'm turned up. I got a bottle, you got a cup. You hit the Dougie, I two-step. You're not with this, I am in crap.
These badass Subi squad. Clean. Pretty sick. We got the graphite Volks SLs.
Travel around the world and even sell the 7C. Across the universe and go to other galaxies. Just tell me where to go, just tell me where you wanna meet. I never get myself.
Ooh, look at this white body. Check out that fender.
I travel town, I travel downtown. Wanna have you go round like that. Until I die, for you and I. For you and I. For you and I. For you and I.
Meet me halfway. Can you meet me halfway?
Here, Team Elevate. They're in full force. Check out this Camaro. Jack Camaro with an Advan GTs. Sheesh. These wheels. set up. Damn, look at this finish of these Advance. Oh my god, bro. Damn. Check out this Miata. Oof. Bro, what kind of wheels are those? Oh my god. We gotta respect the classics. Still a clean build. Sheesh. Check out this livery. It's crazy. Gotta be one of the cleanest chasers out there, man. What the hell? Man, check out the interiors. Jeez, Vertex seats, Brit seats. Damn.
Few minutes, Spam Masubi competition will be happening. Participants will be announced.
Never seen these wheels before. Check out this blower. Oh yeah, check out these Emmets. Nice. Laid out. Pancake.
Your exhaust, is it relatively stock exhaust or just the cat? How loud is it?
Nardo Gray. Got this beautiful Porsche. Nice.
.935 with his Eclipse, which was one of the recognizable Eclipses from the team during the golden era. Today, he displayed a wide-body Integra that hasn't been shown in over 25 years. From the entire community, this recognition is a small token of our appreciation. We are blessed to have you here today and thankful to share the experience both then and now of what car culture is all about. We present you, sir, with the Car Park Nights Slam Dynasty Award. Congratulations, sir. Second place, New Gen Civic.
Sorry.
Second place.
Let our power combine.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Let's go!
Give a round of applause, everybody. For Ryan 2000 Celica.
Hell yeah! Let's go!
All right, everybody. That concludes the award.